you do and now and we do in my favorite food, pizza.
Where's your pizza?
Here.
Okay. Get your ingredients first.
Ay, ready na nanay.
What's that?
Egg.
Be careful. Your egg is hot.
Ayan na oh. Tuyo na.
Yummy. O ano naman yung susunod mong lulutuin?
Nanay? Ayaw na, babe?
Gusto ko po. Pero later muna, bibidyo muna kita. Okay. Cut the carrots and cut the oranges. Use your knife. Where is your knife?
Is right over here. And here. And cut here.
Show us how to cut the oranges. The other oranges.
This one.
The other oranges. Cut the other oranges.
Okay, then. This one.
Oh, teach the children how to cut the oranges.
Here. And this one is the right oranges, but this one is the energy don't stick. And then we're going to do our orange. First one.
Oh, turn on your stove.
Turn over my stove.
Taas mo nga yung kaldero. Pakita mo nga. Ay, umiilaw. Mainit ba yan? Ay! Wow! May carrots. Hiwain mo na yung carrots. Asan yung carrots? Ayun yung carrots. The other one. Yan. O, paano hiwain yan?
May matang carrots tayo.
Be careful. Nakasugat ba yan?
Hindi.
Hindi po. O, bye ka na sa mga kids.